Greetings, my name is Blake Hallman. I'm an instructor in the hospitality program at the Culinary Institute of Charleston. You may have seen me walking around on campus outside of your classroom in the 920 building. You can consider me the charming, funny version of Chef Gruner. This video is to briefly introduce you to the entrepreneur certificate that we've created, should you be interested. It is 6 classes, of which you'll have 3 under your belt or you will receive through the baking, pastry, and/or culinary programs, and 3 with us, HOS 262, 294, and 298. In more detail, the 262 class is a software-based class where we'll focus on working on 2 different Excel spreadsheets, a publisher assignment where you will create a table tent. You'll do a 2-dimensional floor plan that most municipalities would require you to do when submitting a license to open up a business. And we have a data mining software assignment where you basically click on a map of the United States, and in creating a radius that you like, 2 miles, 5 miles, 20 miles, you will end up collecting data of everybody within that radius, what their ages are, their ethnicity, how much money they make, and how much they spend on particular items outside of the house. Food, liquor, beer, wine, non-alcoholic purchases. It goes down to cookies, cupcakes, breads. It's amazing, the data, and easy to use. The 298 Special Topics class will bring in guest speakers to discuss leadership and entrepreneurship. The time frame for this certificate is the fall of this year. Free tuition will cover all classes and certificates as long as it is approved again by the state. We won't know till June or July, but we're expecting that they will again approve it. Should you want to start early, you could take the HOS 262 software class over the summer. And in doing that, you could sign up for the hotel certificate, which is again free since the summer is covered by free tuition, and just take the one class, HOS 262, out of that certificate. And here is the link for you to update your major, should you be interested in that course of action. Any questions? Don't hesitate to call me, email me, or come by and chat with me. I'm happy to fill you in on and answer any questions you may have. Some examples I think might help as well. The business plan class uses Excel spreadsheets, so you're not creating a business from scratch. You're basically cutting and pasting a lot of information already needed. For this revenue projection for a restaurant, you simply type in information in blue. What is your per person average for breakfast, lunch, and dinner? How many seats? How many times will your tables turn over? And everything else, the information populates for you. We do that for a slow week. We do it again for a busy week. And then in light blue, we determine how many slow and busy weeks we'll have and come up with a number, 1.5 million. We have this option of a spreadsheet for a hotel and a private chef company as well. We can extrapolate the $1.5 million in year 1 with this blue information through year 5. Everything else in yellow populates for you. We have examples to help guide you. King Street Beignet is a great idea for a beignet company, very solid. We have an example of a bake shop on Bull Street, which is actually going to open up using this business plan. And we have a project with a beverage truck, not a food truck, but a beverage truck. They would handle beverages for parties. So, should you have questions, reach out. Thanks for your time.